The easiest way to create brain change is through new conditioning. New conditioning is simply, deliberately, intentionally choosing to cultivate a new experience, a new practice, to shift the functioning of the brain and the habits of the brain in a new direction. So anytime we help clients cultivate a gratitude practice, or deepen their listening skills, or strengthen the focus of their attention, or cultivate more self-compassion or self-acceptance, we're using the repetition of those experiences to create new learning, new circuitry, new habits of responding to life events, even potentially traumatizing events. We're helping them create new wiring in the brain, new memories, new ways of being. New conditioning does not rewire the old conditioning. When we're stressed out, tired, our brain will default to the old patterns. It's easier, more efficient for the brain to do what it already knows how to do.